The Supreme Court has refused to let former Trump White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows move the election interference case against him from Fulton County to federal court. Meadows was one of 19 people indicted in Georgia and accused of participating in an illegal scheme to overturn Mr. Trump's 2020 loss here in our state. Trump was also charged. His re-election all but guarantees he will not go to trial here until after his presidency is over, if ever. Both men have denied any wrongdoing.